Hi geometry students, this is Mrs. Hefty here. I needed to talk about one more problem in section 3-3, which deals on slope of lines. And in this problem it reads, find the value of x when a line contains 0.36 and x2 and is parallel to a line that contains 5,4 and 2,3. And you have to show the mathematics behind this. To begin with, people, you're going to first need to find the slope of this line here. So I need to find the slope of that parallel line. And I'm going to use my y minus y over x minus x. So I'm going to take my y's and I'm going to subtract them. 4 minus 3. And then I'm going to take my x's and subtract them. 5 minus 2. So that slope is 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the parallel slope is 1/3. So and when I look for the ordered pair here, that has to have the same slope. So I'm going to use the slope of 1/3. Had this problem read perpendicular, then you would take this slope here and you would flip it and change the sign. But since it's parallel, I'm going to keep that slope 1/3. So now I'm going to use those two ordered pairs and I'm going to find the slope. I'm going to go y minus y over x minus x. So I'm going to go 6 minus 2, and then I'm going to go 3 minus x. And that slope is supposed to be parallel to this, so it's equal to 1/3. Now there are a couple of ways that you can do it, the mathematics behind this. This is a proportion. The first way you could solve this is by cross multiplying. Oops, okay. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 3 equals 1 times 3 minus x. So now I've got 12 equals, distribute 3 minus x, move your 3, 9 equals negative x equals negative 9. So that's the first way you could have done it. The second way is 6 minus 2 is 4, and I still have my 3 minus x on the bottom, and it's supposed to equal 1/3. In order for it to be equal, both the tops and the bottoms have to match. They have to be equal fractions. So what I need to do is I really need this top to be a 4 is what I need it to be. So I'm going to times the top by 4. I'm going to times the bottom by 4 because that's 1. So I have now 4/12. Isn't 4/12 1/3? And that equals 4/3 minus x. Now since the tops are the same, the bottoms need to be the same. So I'm going to take this. I'm running out of room. Take this and I'm going to write 3 minus x has to equal 12. I have to have the tops matching, I have to have the bottoms matching. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to minus my 3 so you guys see I'm getting to the same thing I had before. See that? This is the same thing I have there. X equals negative 9. So there were two ways to get there. So now you're able to do those problems in your homework. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.